is a cylinder? A cylinder is a three-dimensional solid shape that consists of two parallel bases joined by a curved surface at a fixed distance. In the late 14th century, the word cylinder is derived from Latin word cylindrus and Greek word kalindros, which means roll, roller and tumbler. Let's see a few examples of cylindrical shaped objects. They are pipes, candle, cold drink cans, battery, beaker, test tube, gas cylinder, etc. Now let us understand the properties of a cylinder. What is axis of a cylinder? The bases of a cylinder are normally circular in shape and the center of the two bases are joined by a line segment called axis of a cylinder. In other words, the line passing from the center or joining the centers of two circular bases is called the axis of the cylinder. Friends, let us understand the height of a cylinder. Here in this picture, we can see that the distance between the two bases of the cylinder is called the perpendicular distance or height, which is represented as h. Now let us understand the radius of the cylinder. The two circular bases have a distance from the center to the outer boundary, which is known as the radius of the cylinder and is here represented as r. Friends, let's see the different types of cylinders. There are four types of cylinders. They are right circular cylinder, oblique cylinder, elliptic cylinder and hollow cylinder. Right circular cylinder is a type of cylinder that has a closed circular surface with two parallel bases on both ends. It is also commonly known as right cylinder. An oblique cylinder is one whose sides lean over the base. In an oblique cylinder, the sides are not perpendicular to the center of the base. Before we understand about elliptic cylinder, let's know the meaning of the word ellipse. The word ellipse means regular oval shape. A cylinder whose base is in the form of an ellipse is called an elliptic cylinder. Hollow cylinder is also called the right circular hollow cylinder or a cylindrical shell. A hollow cylinder is a cylinder that is empty from the inside and has some difference between the internal and external radius. In other words, it is a cylinder that is empty from the inside and has some thickness at the peripheral. And finally, let us understand the net of a cylinder. This is a net of a cylinder. It has one curved rectangle and two circular faces. Now let's fold this net. When we fold this net, we get a cylinder.